the sons of God. It is related to Colossians chapter 1 verse 13. He has delivered us from the domain of darkness and transferred us, translated us into the kingdom of his dear son. Kufanele simbusuko esingena budlelane naye ukudonge belubumsanza phakathi kwethu naye. Uthi John chapter 1 wesaba bakhe abakhe abazange babamkele kodwa kukho sisisukulwayo esisemnyameni into as the true light of life wafika wakhanya wabonwa nasithi wasizala tuthatha ngesisukulwana esingesabonga ngentando yomfazi wangoda hallelujah, hallelujah. But First Peter chapter 2 verse 9, but you are a chosen race, a royal priesthood, people of his own possession, that you may proclaim the excellencies of him who took you out of